Okay, so we clicked on Plan Templates, and that takes you to this page where you can look at all the yearbook pages. So far, a lot of them are blank, but we're going to change that. I'm going to start working on my senior page so that I can show you how to make a page. In order to make a page, you find the number that you want. You can choose any random one, because my mom's eventually going to assign the order, but for now the senior pages are towards the back, and the first few grades, it starts out with the preschoolers at the front. So you can figure out what grade you are from that order. So I'll click on this page, and I come to this page. There's a ruler at the top with a menu. File gives you save as template, save as click and go. Saves it, saves as template. I think that saves it as a format that someone else can use. Save as click and go saves it into something else so that people can use it later too. Edit is undo and redo, cut, copy, and paste. And that, you guys can look at that. Save, this button saves your work. This button gives you a preview. This is undo and redo. This is spell check. So if you don't know how to spell something, you can just spell it however you want and then click the spell check button, and this should give you a spell check. This button locks your work. I would avoid that for now because yeah, if you lock it, then I don't think you'll be able to fix it or redo it. This places a new rectangle photo box, so if you click this, then a new photo box would pop up. And this gives you a new text box, so if you click on this, a new text box will pop up. And this gives you a new shape, so if you click on this, a shape will pop up. Okay, so let's get to the page. I don't really want this layout, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to here. On this side, there are a few more buttons. This gives you the page, so you can flip back and forth of the pages. Zoom makes it bigger, so if you need it bigger so that you can see, you can make it bigger. And then, okay, so there's pages, which we're on right now, designs, images, and format. I'm going to click on designs, and this gives me a new menu. There's Page Surfer, Custom, and Click and Go. Page Surfer is what I would recommend because everything is already there, but if you want to make it up yourself, click on Click and Go, and you can click the different headlines, photo things, and stuff to make it, but that might take a little longer. So I'm going to go to Page Surfer and find a layout that I like. Okay, let's see. I'm going to go to, there's these different categories there, so I'm going to choose one of these because it has more space for different things. I'll choose this one. So you take this and you drag it over to your page, and then that new layout is right in here. So once you get this, then you can start making your page. So you can delete this text or fill it in with something else if you want. If you want to change the size of the font, you go back over to here to Format, and you change the size or the font or stuff like that. And then to put a picture in, you come over here to Images, and you click on Images, and you click Portrait, and there you can find the different categories where the pictures are. I haven't uploaded my senior picture yet, so I'm going to go to the yearbook staff page and get my picture. And so here's my picture. I'm going to drag it over here, and there I am in the page. Now if I want to get a background for my page, you click Clip Art and Backgrounds. And so there's all these different types of backgrounds that we can choose from. We're trying to stay away from really loud designs or designs that are going to distract from the pictures. So I'm going to choose a really subtle background. I think I saw one that I like up here. Okay, I'm going to put this for now. So you make sure that, see, when you drag it over, the green part is where it's going to go. So I'm making sure that the green part is on the background. And there is my page. I'm going to make it smaller so that I can see what it looks like. It looks okay. I'm probably going to change it later with the background and stuff. I'm definitely going to change that. But that's basically how you make a page. If you want to put little clip art things, there's little categories, and you click on these, and then there's these little pictures that you can put in and drag in to your page. So actually I'm going to put in August because that's my birthday. I'm going to put that in there. So there's my little clip art. Yeah, so that is how you make a page. If you have any questions, send an email to my mom or leave a comment. But one last thing, make sure you always save your work. I'm not going to save my work because I'm going to end up doing a different page with this, but always save it after you put a couple of things on the page. Click save so that way your work does not get lost. So yeah, hope you guys have fun.